How to contact Binance customer support. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you contact Binance customer support. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Binance with your account. Alright, so after you open the application Binance with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the headphone icon just at the top right corner. So simply tap on the headphone icon. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like get support. So it will appear at the bottom of your screen. So simply tap on the option get support. Alright, so after you tap on that option, you'll be able to see such interface on Binance support. So from this section, you'll be able to see top questions on the top questions section. So from here, you can also choose the top questions and mention them in your problem. So on the other hand, you can also enter or briefly explain your problem from the text box section. So from here, you can briefly explain your problem to the Binance contact support team. So this is the easiest and simplest method to contact Binance customer support. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.